tested all our products and we've published all these tests on our website for everyone to see.
Firstly, why is everyone making a fuss about this lab testing? What is it all about?
Lab testing is super important, right? And for multiple reasons. First, it comes to adulteration. We want to make sure that anything we're giving our consumers is safe to consume. Milk is one of the most adulterated ingredients in the country. It's the easiest thing to do. So rigorous testing to ensure that there's no additions, milawats of sort done to it is something we want to ensure. At NOTO, being a health-first brand, transparency is of paramount importance to us. Whatever we claim on the back of pack, our nutritional information needs to sync with the lab reports and the lab tests. For that very reason, we've tested all our products and we've published all these tests on our website for everyone to see.
So what is the common mistake that happens while testing sugar-free products?
So sugar-free products are definitely more nuanced. If you do a regular lab test and you do not inform the lab that this is a sugar-free formulation, in all likelihood, the values are going to come out incorrect. The reason is use a basic testing methodology by default, AOAC 982.14. That's the test. It is not able to differentiate between different carbohydrates. Now, sugar-free sweeteners or sugar substitutes that we use at NOTO, like maltitol, like FOS, like stevia, these are not sugars, they're carbohydrates. But in a basic test, they will all be detected as a regular carbohydrate. So there are separate tests, specific tests, that when you inform the lab, they will, and they're more expensive as well. So you need to inform the lab that I'm testing a sugar-free product with these ingredients. I need a energy value breakdown of all the ingredients. So there's a test called HPLC, the testing methodology called HPLC, which is commonly used, which shows what the energy value for FOS would be, maltitol would be, and stevia example would be.
Don't all lab tests give the same result for the same product?
Firstly, you need to have an NABL accredited lab conducting your test. That's the basic requirement. We've got two different lab tests here, same product, our dark chocolate, and both have different energy values, right? And the reason is they're using different tests. One is a more basic test, which yields slightly inaccurate and slightly more inflated values. And the reason for that is all the sugars, naturally found occurring sugars in the milk, and the sugar substitutes that we use, like maltitol, FOS, stevia, are all looked at as a carbohydrate.
Oh, okay.
It is generically clubbed as a carbohydrate, and all carbohydrates are 4 calories a gram, as we all know. However, we know that maltitol is only 2 kilocalories per gram, not 4 calories like a carbohydrate would be. Similarly, stevia is 0. Hence, now you see the difference, right? It should ideally be much lower. Now, the other test shows us this bifurcation. It shows us the exact values of all these ingredients, which the first test doesn't show. So, for 100 grams of product, one test shows 182 calories and the other more detailed test shows 133 calories, right? There's a pretty large difference for the same product. That's what we need to do, is follow the right test for the right kind of product to get the right answer. So question the testing methodology depending on the type of product you're testing. It's not a one-size-fits-all. What I think consumers need to do is question the source of information, be it from the brand or be it from an influencer. Lab reports of the correct kind show the facts, what is right and what is not. At NOTO, we believe in transparency. This is a tough subject. We would love to answer your questions and our DMs are always open.